Okay, this is a diagram of what I put on the board as a summary of what they'll need to know for covalent bonding. It's group 14 through 17. I give the number of valence electrons, Lewis dot diagram, unpaired electrons, number of bonds, types of bonds, and then example of each one, what might occur in that group. So these first two parts, the students are really good at by this point. This part's relatively easy, even though they've just recently been exposed to unpaired electrons and number of bonds. They start to see this, that if there's one unbonded pair or unbonded electron, it'll be a single bond. Um, and as far as carbon goes, we're primarily just focusing on the single bond here. So they'll see something like methane. And then in group 15, I'll show them ammonia and nitrogen, the diatomic nitrogen having a triple bond. They will see that. So they need to know that information, that nitrogen can form a triple bond because it has three unbonded electrons. And then for group 16, I show them water and oxygen bonding to itself, and then over here I show the diatomic chlorine bonding to itself and it bonding. So I give them a couple of examples. A test question that they might have would be, what element will bond to itself and form a a double bond? And maybe the answers are nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, and then I would get like sodium, which is not going to happen. And obviously the answer is oxygen. So this does a nice summary and I think prepares them well for the test that I give.